question. When was the last time you did something good for your body? Not last week, not yesterday. I mean today, this morning. Did you drink water? Did you sleep well? Did you eat something healthy? Or did you just watch YouTube videos and eat chips? No judgment, but here's the secret. Healthy habits and English practice, they go perfect together. And today, we are going to show you exactly how. So stay right here. Don't move. This episode will change your daily life in English.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Hello, hello, hello. I am so happy to be here today, and I am especially happy about today's topic because I love talking about healthy habits.
She really does. Every time I eat something bad, Lily gives me this look. You know the look.
The look of love, Max, the look of love.
Sure. Anyway, today we are talking about healthy habits, but we are also practicing real, natural English at the same time. Two things in one lesson. You are welcome.
By the end of this episode, you will know how to talk about your daily routine in English. You will learn simple, natural phrases that real people use every day, and you will feel more confident when you speak.
So, whether you are a beginner or almost intermediate, this is for you. Let's go.
Okay, Max, let's start from the very beginning of the day, the morning. What is the first thing you do when you wake up?
Honestly, I look at my phone.
Max.
I know. But hey, at least I'm learning English on my phone, right?
Okay, fair point. But let's talk about what we should do in the morning, and let's use real English phrases.
Great idea. So the first phrase is, I wake up at, and then you say your time. For example, I wake up at 7 in the morning.
Very simple. Now you try. Say your wake-up time out loud right now. Go ahead. I wake up at... Say it.
Good job. Now, the next phrase. After you wake up, what do? A very healthy habit is drinking water. So we say, the first thing I do is drink a glass of water.
Ooh, I love that one. The first thing I do is... This phrase is so useful. You can use it for anything. The first thing I do is check my messages. The first thing I do is make coffee.
Exactly. It sounds very natural, very normal, like a native speaker.
Now, let's add one more morning phrase. Do you exercise in the morning, Max?
I try to. Some days I go for a walk, some days I do a short workout at home. So I say, I try to exercise every morning. The key word is try to. It means I want to do it, but it's not always perfect.
Yes, I try to is very honest English. Real people say I try to all the time because life is not perfect. I try to sleep 8 hours. I try to eat healthy. I try to study English every day.
And that's okay. Trying is the first step.
So let's review the morning phrases so far. Number 1, I wake up at. Number 2, the first thing I do is. Number 3, I try to.
Say those 3 phrases one more time, out loud. Ready? I wake up at 7. The first thing I do is drink water. I try to exercise every morning.
Perfect. You are already sounding more natural.
All right, let's talk about food because food is life.
Food is very important for your body and for your English. There are so many great words and phrases around eating.
So let's start with a simple question. In English, if someone asks you, do you eat healthy? What do you say?
You can say, I try to eat healthy, but sometimes I cheat. Cheat here means you eat something bad, something not healthy, like chips or chocolate or pizza at midnight.
Not that I know anything about that.
Okay, another phrase is I eat a lot of. For example, I eat a lot of vegetables. Or I don't eat much. For example, I don't eat much sugar.
These 2 phrases, I eat a lot of and I don't eat much, are super easy and super useful. You can use them in a conversation immediately.
Try it now. Say one sentence with I eat a lot of and one with I don't eat much. Go on, say it out loud.
Great. Now, another really common phrase about eating habits is, I've been trying to cut down on. Cut down on means eat less of something. I've been trying to cut down on fast food. I've been trying to cut down on coffee.
This one is a little more advanced, B1 level, but it sounds so natural when you say it. I've been trying to cut down on sugar. It shows that you are making an effort. It shows progress.
And here's a bonus tip. If someone asks you, how are you eating these days? You can use this phrase and sound very impressive.
Very impressive, very adult, very responsible.
Okay, food phrases. Let's review. I try to eat healthy, but sometimes I cheat. I eat a lot of vegetables. I don't eat much sugar. I've been trying to cut down on fast food.
Repeat those, seriously. Say them out loud one by one. Your mouth needs practice, not just your ears.
Okay, stop right there. We need to talk. Because most English learners, most of them, make one very common mistake when they talk about habits. Do you know what it is?
Ooh, this is a good one.
They say, I am doing exercise every day. But that's not correct. We do not use am doing for habits. We use the simple present. I exercise every day. She drinks water in the morning. He eats breakfast at 8.
Yes, for habits and routines, things you do regularly, use the simple present tense, not I am doing, just I do.
So instead of I am drinking water every morning, say I drink water every morning. Simple, clean, correct.
This is a very important grammar point, and now you know it. You are already ahead of so many learners.
Okay, we are not done yet. Stay with us, because in a few minutes we have a fun role-play challenge for you. And near the end, there is a bonus tip that most people miss.
You do not want to miss the bonus tip, trust me. Okay, let's move to something very important. Sleep. Beautiful, wonderful sleep.
Ah, yes, my favorite habit.
Sleep is so important for your health, and in English, there are many ways to talk about sleep. Let's start simple. I go to bed at, for example, I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
And then, I get up at, or I wake up at. Both are correct. I get up at 6:30.
Now, here is a very natural phrase. I don't get enough sleep. This means I sleep, but not enough hours, not enough rest.
So many people can relate to this. Students, parents, people who work late. I don't get enough sleep. It's honest. It's real.
And if you want to say the opposite, that you are sleeping well, you say, I've been sleeping really well lately. The word lately means recently, in the past few days or weeks.
Lately is a great word. Lately I've been going to bed earlier. Lately I've been feeling more energetic.
And speaking of energy, one healthy habit that many people forget is taking breaks during the day. In English, we say, I take a short break every hour, or I like to take a power nap in the afternoon.
A power nap. Do you know this word? A power nap is a very short sleep, maybe 15 or 20 minutes, that gives you energy, like charging your phone, but for your brain.
I love that. Charging your brain, yes.
So the sleep phrases are, I go to bed at, I don't get enough sleep, I've been sleeping really well lately, I like to take a power nap.
Say those phrases right now, out loud. Come on, you can do it.
Okay, healthy habits are not only about food and sleep, they are also about your mind, your mental health.
Yes, this is so important. And in English, people talk about mental health more and more now. It's normal. It's healthy to talk about how you feel.
So let's learn some phrases. First, I feel stressed. Stressed means you have too many things to do and you feel tired and worried. I feel really stressed this week.
And the opposite, I feel calm or I feel relaxed. When you feel calm, everything is okay. Everything is peaceful.
A great habit for mental health is taking a walk outside. In English, we say, I go for a walk to clear my head. Clear my head means stop thinking about problems and feel better.
Oh, I love this phrase. I go for a walk to clear my head. It sounds so poetic, so real.
Another habit is journaling, writing your thoughts in a notebook. I write in my journal every night before bed. This helps you process your feelings.
And of course, gratitude. Gratitude means feeling thankful. A beautiful habit is to say 3 things you are grateful for every day. In English, I'm grateful for my health. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for this English lesson.
Very good. So, mental health phrases. I feel stressed. I go for a walk to clear my head. I write in my journal. I'm grateful for.
These phrases are not just English phrases, they are life phrases. Use them every day in English and in your heart.
Okay, it is time for the role play challenge. This is your chance to use everything you learned today.
Imagine this situation. You meet a new friend. They ask you, "So, do you have any healthy habits?" What do you say?
I will show you a great answer. Listen first, then you try.
Ready?
Okay, Lily, ask me the question like a new friend.
Hey, so do you have any healthy habits?
Yeah, actually. I try to wake up early every day. The first thing I do is drink a glass of water. I've been trying to cut down on sugar lately. And I go for a walk every evening to clear my head. Sleep is still a challenge, though. I don't always get enough sleep.
Wow, that was great. Did you hear all the phrases from today's lesson? He used almost all of them in one natural answer.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video right now, or pause the podcast, and answer this question out loud. Do you have any healthy habits?
Use the phrases from today. Mix them together. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are how you grow.
If you want to go even further, write your answer in the comments below. We read every single comment. We love seeing your practice.
Okay, quick quiz time. I will say a sentence. You tell me, is it correct or not correct? Ready?
I'm ready.
Sentence number 1. She is drinking coffee every morning. Correct or not correct?
Not correct. For habits, we use simple present. She drinks coffee every morning.
Perfect. Sentence number 2. I've been trying to cut down on fast food. Correct or not correct?
Correct. That is a perfect B1 phrase.
Sentence number 3. I going to bed at 10 o'clock. Correct or not correct?
Not correct. We need I go to bed at 10 o'clock. No ing for a simple habit.
You got all 3. Amazing. If you answered along with Max, give yourself a big imaginary star right now.
Okay, we are getting close to the end, but before we finish, let's review everything, the key phrases from today.
Morning habits. I wake up at. The first thing I do is. I try to.
Food habits. I eat a lot of. I don't eat much. I've been trying to cut down on.
Sleep habits. I go to bed at. I don't get enough sleep. I've been sleeping really well lately. I like to take a power nap.
Mental health habits. I feel stressed. I go for a walk to clear my head. I write in my journal. I'm grateful for.
And the big grammar rule for habits and routines, always use this simple present tense. I drink, I eat, I sleep, not I am drinking for habits.
Say those phrases one more time in your head, or out loud, or write them down, whatever helps you remember best.
Because here's the truth. The more you say something, the more natural it becomes. That is how language works. That is how your brain works.
Oh, and we promised you a bonus tip. Stay right here. It's coming in just a second.
You are so close. Don't leave now.
Okay, here is the bonus tip, and this one is about how to practice English with healthy habits.
Every day, when you do a healthy habit, say it in English in your head or out loud, like a little English habit diary.
For example, when you drink your morning water, say, "The first thing I do is drink water." When you go for a walk, say, "I'm going for a walk to clear my head." When you eat dinner, say, "I'm trying to eat healthy today."
You are connecting English to real moments in your life. This is one of the most powerful ways to remember vocabulary because now the words have feelings, they have memories. Your brain keeps them forever.
It's called immersion in small moments. You don't need to move to an English-speaking country. You just need to bring English into your daily moments.
Drink water, say it in English. Take a breath, say it in English. Eat a meal, say it in English. Every small moment is a practice moment.
This is the secret that the best English learners know, and now you know it too.
Okay, friends, we have come to the end of today's episode, and I just want to say I am so proud of you.
Really, learning a language is not easy. It takes time, it takes patience, it takes showing up even on days when you don't feel like it.
But you showed up today. You listened, you practiced, you repeated. That is something to be proud of.
Healthy habits and English practice are actually very similar. You do them a little bit every day. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent.
Consistent means keep doing it. Keep going. Even slow progress is progress. Even one new phrase a day makes you better.
So, here is your challenge for today. Pick one phrase from this episode, just one, and use it today in a real sentence, out loud, to yourself, to a friend, to your pet, to your mirror. It doesn't matter.
And then come tell us in the comments below. Which phrase did you choose? Write it below. We want to see. We want to celebrate you.
And if this episode helped you, please share it with one friend who is learning English. One friend, that's it. Because good things are better when they are shared.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Englishman so you never miss an episode. Every week we bring you real English, real practice, and real good vibes.
Real good vibes, that's our brand.
That is our brand.
Next time, we're going to show you how to talk about your emotions in English, feelings, reactions, and how to express yourself clearly and naturally. It's going to be a beautiful episode.
You will learn phrases like, I feel overwhelmed, and I'm over the moon, and you'll understand exactly when to use them.
So, make sure you come back for that one. It's going to be really special.
Until then, take care of yourself. Drink your water, sleep well, go for that walk, and speak English every single day.
We believe in you, always. See you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep going. You're doing amazing.